In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to silently leave a Discord group. Leaving a Discord group or server is a quick and simple process, and in most cases, you can do it without notifying other members. Discord doesn't normally send an announcement when someone leaves a server, so you can exit quietly whenever you no longer want to be part of a community. In this video, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can leave a Discord group with confidence. To begin, open the Discord application on your computer, or access Discord through your web browser. Once Discord has loaded, take a look at the list of servers displayed along the left side of the screen. Find the server that you want to leave, and select it to open its channels and content. After you've entered the correct server, look toward the top of the channel list where you'll see the server name. Click on the server name to open the Server Options menu. This menu contains several actions related to the server, including the option to leave it. From the menu that appears, select Leave Server. As a safety measure, Discord may display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to leave the server. This helps prevent accidental exits, especially if the server is one that you visit frequently. If you're certain that you want to leave, confirm your choice when the prompt appears. Once you do, Discord will immediately remove the server from your server list, and you will no longer have access to its channels, messages, or voice chats unless you're invited back in the future. One thing many users appreciate is that leaving a server is generally a private action. Discord does not typically announce your departure to other members, allowing you to leave quietly without creating unnecessary attention. This makes it easy to step away from communities that you're no longer interested in or no longer need to be a part of. Before confirming your decision, it's worth remembering that once you've left, you won't be able to view the server's content anymore unless you receive another invitation. If there's any information or conversations you may need later, make sure you've taken care of that before leaving. And that's all there is to it. As you've seen, leaving a Discord group or server is a straightforward process that only takes a few moments, and in most cases, it happens quietly without notifying the rest of the community. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,